Hello guys. Welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can download Fortnite on your Android phone. For this, open your browser and search APK Pure. Then search here, Fortnite. After this, click here. And then click here to download the installer of Fortnite. After downloading, install the Fortnite installer on your phone. This game required the following requirements. If you have the following specifications, then Fortnite will be installed easily on your phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.